Hey there, we're back at it over here. This particular property that I'm towing out of. Last time I was here, I had 5 confrontations went on this property. It's not that bad of a property, but it ain't that good either. So I'm gonna put this vest on today, just for the sake of being careful. I've done so many of these impounds, it's a wonder I hadn't been shot. Anyway, we're gonna go over here and grab this. Is a Camaro. It's a really nice car, and I'm pretty familiar with this guy. I've hooked him up before. Last time I hooked his BMW. He got all bent out of shape about it. But I'm gonna hook this Camaro. It's a nice one. Fix to pull over here and grab this Camaro. I'll have to hook that one. 35 GXJ. You might get to hook that one right there. Well, it's 135. Let me see if this is it. We might can tow this one right here. Yep, we can tow this one. Yeah, we got a cheater right here. We just came up on a handicapped cheater. We're gonna have to get this one for sure. We're hooked. How you doing?
My registration is good. Hello? Let me get my keys.
Hey,
Yes.
you already hooked. You're gonna have to pay it out. If you want to pay it out, you can.
No.
Hey, you parked in the handicap and you got a bad tag.
That's because I already called the leasing office.
Yeah.
My registration is good, sir.
Well,
I'm asking you nicely, please. Look. I already called them to let them know. It's wet, so it wouldn't stay.
it wasn't on the car when the time I hooked it. And you're parked in a handicap spot.
This is our parking spot, 133B. That's my apartment number.
Okay. Why didn't you put that thing on the car?
Because it's been raining every day. I put it on and it slid right off. So I need to get tape to put it on. It's been raining every day. I'll put it on right now.
Okay. So which spot's yours?
Right here, 133B is right underneath. The people who lived here before us put it on there. They never took it off. The leasing office said we can park here. 133B.
Okay, you're still parked in the walkway though. You're not even parked in that space.
2 of us. Look, it would be, how hard would it be to unhook it? 2 seconds, I have it right here.
Well, that's the thing about it. How hard was it to me to hook it, or what kind of situation do I run into hooking cars? I understand your situation.
It'll be more
Why didn't you put that on the dash? You could have put that on the dash and I wouldn't even have hooked it.
Look, just unhook it, please.
Yeah.
It would be just more, like for me to go through all this, when I went through a lot to get that. I already called the leasing office. I got home after 12 o'clock at work last night, just tired. Because it's been raining.
You're gonna have to pay it out. It's $100 if you want to pay it out. Anyway, I wanted to do a better job explaining that Elantra that I hooked. The girl with the Elantra, she was not parked in the handicap spot. This particular property have had a lot of parking issues, and what they've done, they came back through and they've numbered all the parking, so each unit has their own parking space. Anyway, when I went to the office, they were very happy that I did drop that car, being that resident did update her tag. She just wasn't responsible enough to put it on her car. They do like that. We gave them one back. Keep the residents happy, because at the end of the day, we would have been towing that car knowing that she had a good tag, and that's just really not how this business is. We got more cars to tow, and that's what I'm here to do, is tow as many as I can, not just one. Anyway. Here's our next one. We got a Mazda flat tire. Right, we're off to the office to sign these out, and head to the yard. We'll be back over here to get some more in a minute. There's quite a few cars on this property. They got 2 pages worth of cars. That's 36 cars on this property that were notated to tow. That's why I let that other one go. Anyway. This tow trucker, man, we're back. Got a called in impound, man, on a handicap parking spot. Evidently somebody that's handicapped contacted their office and was complaining about somebody using their handicap parking space. And here's somebody using a handicap spot right there. Well, handicap walkway anyway. That's it right there. That's the one. And I can't stand somebody parking in a handicapped spot, man, and taking up a handicapped person's parking place. I know a lot of people that are handicapped, man. And they struggle, man, to get in and out of their apartment, man, or their house. It's a big struggle to be handicapped, and somebody do that to a handicapped person, man, I don't like that worth the. Anyway, we'll roll on out, sign it out.